Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, November 3rd, 2023. It is 1:35 and 43 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Jurassic Worlds. So let's jump to it here. Jurassic Worlds might be easier to spot than modern day. Date November 2nd, 2023. Source, Cornell University. An analysis finds telescopes can better detect potential chemical signatures of life in an Earth-like exoplanet that more closely resembles the age of the dinosaurs inhabited than the one we know today. The scientific investigators and astronomers analyzed the most recent 540 million years of Earth's evolution, known as the Paleozoic Eon, has two key biosignature pairs, oxygen and methane, and ozone and methane appeared stronger than models of Earth roughly 100 million to 300 million years ago, when oxygen levels were significantly higher. The model simulated the transmission spectra, or light fingerprint, generated by an atmosphere that absorbs some colors of starlight and lets others filter through. Information scientists use to determine the atmosphere's composition. Modern Earth's light fingerprint has been our template for identifying potentially habitable planets, but there was a time when the fingerprint was even more pronounced, better at showing signs of life. And this gives us hope that it might be just a little bit easier to find signs of life, even large, complex life, elsewhere in the cosmos. Using estimates from two established climate models called GeoCard and Quarks, the researchers simulated Earth's atmospheric composition and resulting transmission spectra over 500 million year increments of the Paleozoic. As each features significant changes as a complex ocean biosphere diversified, forests proliferated, and terrestrial biospheres flourished, influencing the mix of oxygen and other gases in the atmosphere. It is only the most recent 12% or so of Earth's history, but it encompasses pretty much all of the time in which life was more complex than sponges. These light fingerprints are what you search for elsewhere if you were looking for something more advanced than a single-celled organism. While similar evolutionary processes may or not unfold on exoplanets, their models fill in a missing puzzle piece of what a Paleozoic would look like to a telescope, creating new templates for habitable planets while varying atmospheric oxygen levels. The researchers pioneered modeling of what Earth would look like to faraway observers based on changes over time in its geology, climate, and atmosphere. The ground truth, they say, for identifying potential evidence of life on other worlds. And to date, about 35 rocky exoplanets have been discovered in habitable zones where liquid water could exist. Analyzing an exoplanet's atmosphere, if it has one, is at the edge of technical capability for NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, but it is now a possibility. The researchers say scientists need to know what to look for. Their models identify planets like Paleozoic Earth as the most promising targets for finding life in the cosmos. They also allow scientists to entertain the possibility, purely theoretical, that if a habitable exoplanet is discovered to have an atmosphere with 30% oxygen, life there might not be limited to microbes, but could include creatures as large and varied as a megalosaurus or microraptors that once roamed the earth. If they are out there, this sort of analysis lets us figure out where they could be living. Dinosaurs or not, the models confirm that from a great distance, such a planet's light fingerprint would stand out more than a modern Earth's. And this is a professor of space technology, astronomy, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.